So this is the Dr. Brown's sterilizer, and really like this. Had the baby Brezza stand before that with the hand-me-down. However, it stopped working, so we got this one. And just really appreciate this top function. As you can see, just put all the bottle parts in there, use it for pacifiers. And of course the main section here as well is easy for different size bottles and the taller Dr. Brown's pieces as well. So easy to use, it's been working great and is preventing our child from getting thrush, which we definitely don't want her to get.
How old is this thing again?
Like 3 months.
Go ahead and start it up. Doesn't sound that bad this time. What do you have to do to make it act normal? Oh, okay. Now we can sterilize. How many taps does it normally take?
A few.
Does it sound like Chewbacca?
Yeah, kind of.
How much did it cost?
Like, too much. Like $80.
Can you help fix this? Thank you.
Bingo, será mejor que la dejes aquí.
¿Por qué no la puedo llevar?
No es lo correcto, hija. Tal vez su dueño la esté buscando.
Ok. Bye, tortuguita. Regresaré mañana.
You see that? That's not supposed to be there. And you can try scrubbing it, but that ain't gonna go away.